The immediate tie-off feature can be used two different ways. So let me show you how you can really make this work to your advantage so you get the most out of it. Okay, so first off, if you're just sewing along, we're on a decorative stitch, but let's just do it on a straight stitch to start with. So you have the reverse button, which when you push it, it's going to back up and go forward and put lots of extra stitches in. Now when you touch this while you're sewing, it will then immediately tie off right where you are. And when I say tie off, it means that it's going to go in the same hole a couple times. You'll keep your foot on the foot control and then it will stop for you. So let's go ahead. As we're sewing along and we touch the tie off button, it immediately goes into about 5 locking stitches and then stops. My foot is still on the foot control. So when I lift up off of it, I'm ready to stop. Then the other option, see how it just locks it all in the same place? Okay, so the other option would be is if you're working with, for example, a decorative stitch. So stitch number 48 is this cute little star. So you can be, oh, you have to turn it on when you are stopped. So watch this. Turn the immediate tie off on, the red light turns on. You touch that when you're not moving. So then you're sewing a row of stitches and you want it to lock at the end of the pattern and then stop for you. Touch the reverse button one time, it will finish the stitch it's on, lock, and stop. And again, your foot will still be on the foot control. So it comes to a complete stop, locks it so those stitches don't come undone. So the way to get this to happen, you have to activate it when you're not sewing, and then use the reverse button to set it when you get to, for example, the end of your pattern. This is a great way to sew out your decorative stitches and then have it actually finish each decorative stitch row and lock it. So when you come here, you can cut and it's nice and secure.